Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to uh, show you how you can use RBC cashback easily. First of all, you have to log in into this website, and how you can claim that RBC cashback I will show you. So this is how you can avail your cashback. First of all, you have to tap on accounts in the navigation bar. From there you have to tap the account you would like to see, and from there your balance appear at the top of the page. And in online banking you can go sign into RBC online banking. From there you can select the account you would like to see. From there your balance appear at the top of the page. But how you can use that uh, cashback? So first of all you can do is that you can just uh, RBC mobile app or online banking, select the use cashback, choose the amount and apply it to your credit card balance. It will apply on your credit card. Second option is to direct deposit to your RBC account, and third option is to automatically annually redemption. In use for RBC reward, if eligible, if you have a card that allows it, you may be able to convert cashback into RBC rewards points. Uh, this is how you can use RBC cashbacks. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.